Annyeong, and welcome to my little classroom here at Korean from Zero. And from the title of the video, you guys probably realized what I'll be talking about today, but some of you may not realize how many meanings 쓰다 can actually have and how confusing it can get. Till this day, I sometimes encounter sentences with 쓰다 and I am actually confused a little bit in what sense is it being used, how do I translate it into English, what meaning does it actually have in there. So yeah, hopefully after this video you guys will be able to recognize it a little bit easier, and yeah, we'll have a easy breezy time learning Korean. Right, so the first meaning would be to write, and I'd say that's kind of the most common one, even though I wouldn't really say that because all of these meanings are pretty darn common, so I'm not putting them in any particular order, so just keep that in mind. All of them are very widely used. And the way you conjugate 쓰다 is 써요 in present tense, 썼어요 in past tense, and 쓸 거예요 or 쓸 거야 in the future tense. So let's just head straight to the examples. 매달 할머니한테 편지를 써요. Every month I write my grandma a letter. Or you can say something like 이메일을 선생님에게 아직 쓰지 않았어요. I still haven't written my teacher an email. Alright, so the second definition would be to use, but even in English, the word use can have a lot of different meanings. So in Korean, 쓰다 is used when you're trying to say something like 그 핸드폰을 쓸 수 있어요? Can I use this phone? Or you can say something like 계산기를 쓰지 않았어요. I haven't used the calculator, a calculator. The meaning number 3 would be to spend. And that can be talking about either money or time. Both of those cases you can use 쓰다. For example, 저는 가족이랑 여행을 갈 때 2천만 원을 샀어요. When I had a vacation with my family, I spent 20 million Korean won. Or when you're talking about time, you can say something like 혼자서 많은 시간을 써요. I spent a lot of time alone. That sounds quite lonely, but you get the point. Alright, meaning number, we're at 4 already, right? Is to wear. But Korean is extremely complicated when it comes to wearing something on your body. There's like 20 different verbs that you use for a particular clothing item or for a particular place on your body that you're wearing it on. So, 쓰다 is used only when you're talking about wearing something on your head. Either a hat or glasses or a mask if you're sick. So examples of that would be 저는 눈이 나빠서 안경을 써요. I have to wear glasses because my eyes are bad. Or you can say 감기가 걸려서 마스크를 쓰고 학교에 갔어요. I wore a mask when I went to school because I caught a cold. Alright, so meaning number 3025 would be to be bitter. And that can apply both to taste or to actually feeling bitter on the inside. An example of that can be 커피가 너무 쓰다. The coffee is really bitter. Alright, now that we've discovered all these meanings of 쓰다, I would like to challenge you guys. And I'm gonna ask you a question, which you will answer in the comment section, and we'll let you know whether you're right or wrong. Alright, so it's a phrase that I hope is commonly used in Korean. You can translate it literally, but I doubt it will make a lot of sense. But you will get brownie points if you know the definition of this phrase. Okay, here it is. 바가지 쓰다. 바가지 쓰다. 바가지를 썼어요. Alright, if you know the meaning of this phrase, let me know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to answer you and let you know if you guys got it right or wrong. And yeah, I hope this lesson was helpful. And if you want to know a little bit more about 쓰다, head over to Korean from Zero website where you can find the free PDF of their first book, which has a little section explaining some meanings of 쓰다. And if you want to learn a little bit more, then there's a bit more explanation on 쓰다 in Korean from Zero book number 3. So yeah, head over to their website and keep learning Korean. Have fun on your learning journey. And I will see you guys all sometime really soon. Bye! 안녕!